You're watching Fox 10 AZAM with Ty Brennan and Anita Roman.
After the break, we're going to change our wardrobe in the spring. Why not change our eating habits, right? Eat lighter. We have a chef in the bistro who is going to cook up some fresh, light, healthy food. I can't wait. I'm hungry. Staying with us throughout the morning. We are in the Fox 10 Bistro. Spring is here, so we're going to talk about eating lighter, eating healthier. When it gets hotter, you don't want all those comfort foods that log you down, right, Chef?
Absolutely. I like the foods. I always tell people, eat in the season, what's growing. It's going to be more nutritious. It's going to be more healthy. And in this time of year, well, Phoenix is generally always warm, so you don't want to be bogged down. I hate eating it.
These are the foods that are available. Chef Gerard, Viverito with passion fish.
Passion fish.
What are we making?
Today we're going to do a heart-healthy salad. I love talking about omegas, and I love talking about fish, and I'm going to teach you how to make a quick and simple dressing.
So I don't eat meat, chicken, or red meat, but I do like fish. I feel like that's where I get my protein. So I like a mahi-mahi.
Okay, well, mahi-mahi you can catch. They're American mahis. Today we're going to use Alaskan salmon. What most people don't know is that 91% of the fish in this country consumed is imported from foreign countries. So I'm going to make a quick little dressing. We have a little pomegranate.
So we do the dressing first right in the bowl.
Yeah, and I'm going to do a little mustard as an emulsifier. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil, and I found this in the market. This is a local olive oil company, which is pretty cool.
It's nice to get local products.
Yeah, it really is. And I'm going to use a little bit. I segmented these oranges and blood grapefruits, and so I use that as my acid. And I'm going to blend that in. And then you mentioned that you don't like salmon.
It's not that I don't like it. It's just a little fishy for me.
I'm not. I don't take it personally, but salmon is really good in omega-3s.
Yeah.
And if you want to get your omega-3s, I'm going to use this chia oil.
Okay.
This is a great fat that's heart healthy, and I'm going to emulsify this in. This is made from chia seeds, which is a plant, so it's non-GMO, it's gluten-free, which is everyone wants. It's cold pressed.
There's nothing bad in it.
There's nothing bad in it. And this will get you your omega-3s, and we're talking about these days you hear heart health, inflammation, reducing plaque in the arteries, keeping your arteries flexible for better blood flow. So we're going to add our arugula here. This is just, you know, growing up as an Italian, I always liked some peppery greens. And just to get some flavor.
A little spice to them.
A little bit of spice. I always loved a little bit of pepper in there. We're going to use some radish. And you can make a composed plate like we have in front of us. But these days, you know, people are always...
The bowl life, I say. Eat it out of the bowl.
Exactly.
Nice
I don't, you know.
What are those?
These are Marcona almonds. These are from Spain. They're
Can I try one?
They're actually fried in olive oil and hit with a little bit of sea salt. It's different than the normal almond that you get. To me, they're one of my absolute favorites. I'm going to put a little berries in there because we know we need fiber. We also have, you know, our fiber from the fruits. So we're going to lightly toss
this right here has everything you need, it seems.
This is, yeah, I would just eat this. I wouldn't even dirty the plate because why do I need the trip to the dishwasher?
No, perfect.
So then what I like to do is, just in case, spill off my excess oil. So these days, you know, we're all suffering from this, I don't know, inflammation of our hearts, lack of fiber. So I'm going to top this. Actually, I'll make this one for you if you're interested. This one will be salmon-free, but...
Oh, no, you can do it. Show everyone.
Get your omegas through your fish. If you don't like fish, get it through a chia oil. They also make, these days, you can get heart-healthy...
What about chia seeds? Can we add a little bit?
You could, if you like the crunch. Some people like, they don't like the
seed stuff
caught between their teeth. So if you bloom them in water for 15 minutes to overnight, or if you're making a dessert like a chia pudding in coconut milk, you could actually blend them up into a dressing.
Last question, and then I'm getting the wrap. Can you keep this in the fridge for a couple of days?
I wouldn't keep it dressed, but you could keep the fridge.
Maybe make it separate?
Absolutely. Actually, with chia oil, because since it is a seed, like olive oil, it's best kept cold so it doesn't go rancid once it's open.
And how do people find you?
People can find me at chefgerard.com or passionfish.org, and I love to answer questions anytime anyone has. So whether it's omega-3, fish, general cooking questions, I always say I'm available 24/7 in this connected world.
Love it. Thank you so much. Keeping us healthy this spring.